Hey guys, good afternoon guys. So today topic we'll see is my screen is visible.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. So today topic is AEM installation and server setup. AEM installation and server setup. Server setups. So yesterday we discussed like what is AEM. So everybody got the clarity like what does it mean by AEM, why we are using the AEM. So what are the parallel tools we have in the market, why only we are choosing the AEM. Yesterday we discussed about the AEM introduction. Okay, so today we'll discuss AEM installation and server setups. Okay. Uh, uh, Okay, fine. So for AIM installation, we need some softwares. Okay, whatever the softwares are required, I already uploaded all the softwares in my drive. So the drive link I already shared in the group itself. Okay, so you can go through that and then you can download those softwares. Whatever the softwares are required for the AIM, I already shared in the group. Okay, so what are the softwares are required for AEM installation? First software is JDK. Okay, either you should download 8 or 11. Okay, second one is Maven. Maven is also one tool actually. So that also already you guys aware how to install JDK 8 or 11. Okay, now Maven you should install at least latest version are above 3.8.6, above 3.8.6 version Maven. Okay, next third one is jar file. AIM 6 point jar file I have already shared. AIM 6.5 jar file, so I have already shared in the drive. You can download that one. You can download that one. So these three are softwares, and then IDEs, integrated development environments. So IDEs you can download Visual Studio, Visual Studio, or you can download IntelliJ, and you can download Eclipse. Eclipse you should download 2019 version. 2019 version you should download. So this one you can download with they're not ultimate, where we have the free version. You can download the free version. Okay, IntelliJ you can download the free versions. Okay, so now I will show you how to download the Maven. Okay, and fourth one here, Node.js. I will show you how to download the Maven. So through that you can get the clarity on it. So simply you can go to your Chrome and look for the Maven latest version. Maven latest version. Maven latest version. Then you can get Apache Maven. Then you can click on this one. Which one? Second one, binary zip archive. Okay, click on the binary zip archive, then it will be downloaded to, it will ask the download path. You can select any path. So I'm saving this one. It will be downloaded, which is in the format of zip format. We need to extract them. Open, simply go to that folder and click on that one, and you need to extract, and it will ask the by default path actually. So I am going through the by default path. Extract, it is extracting, right? So we can go through that Apache Maven and up to bin, take the path up to bin, and then we can come to go to your system environment variables. Edit system environment variables. You can open environment variables and we can give the path here, Maven version. So in my system already I have given. So here you should give the two paths. One is the initial path is without bin. Okay, and once you click on the path, then you will get one more path. Here you should give path up to bin. If you observe here, all are also in bin format only. Here you should give the path up to bin. Here you should give the path up to bin. So in my system already I have given. So this is the thing we need to set up Maven in your local. In our local, you need to set up Maven like that. After that, so this jar file I have uploaded, and this all the software I have already uploaded in my drive. So you can simply download it from there also. You can simply download it from the drive, or else you can simply download it from the net also. Anything is fine. Okay. Like simply you can go to the Chrome, in search bar. You can look for the Maven latest version. Then it will provide the latest version. Then you can download any of versions, like the latest versions higher than 3.8.6 versions. You can download. Okay, you can give the system environment variables. Okay, and the next thing is the Node.js. Node.js, simply what you will do, you can come here and then look for the Node.js. Node.js download for Windows. For Windows, click on it. There, we can download like this. Click on it. It will be ask the download location. There you can save, and it will download to your local. For this Node.js, no need to set up any system environment variables. Okay. For this one, no need to set up any system environment variables. Okay. Simply you can click on this, and then simply it will ask next, and give the permission. I accept the terms in the license agreement, and click on the next. But this is the by default path. So I am going with the by default path. Click on the next, and here also click on the next. No need to select that one. Next, and it will install in your local. Okay. For Node.js, no need to set up any system environment variables. Only download and install in your system. That is enough. No need to give any system environment variables. Okay. As of now is clear. So it is installing it to in my local. Okay. The next thing is, these are the IDs. These IDs already in your local. These IDs you have already available in your missions, right? Now, the next question is, in the interview perspective, they will ask, what is author instance and what is published instance? What is author instance and what is published instance? This is a very regular question. What is author instance and what is published instance? Okay, we'll go with author instance first. author instance. Author instance basically author instance which is used to design, okay, design, comma, create and review the content, review the review the content, review the content and it will publish, it will publish the application in the future, okay. Similarly, the port number. So other instance port number is other instance. Other instance port number is 4502. Okay, 4502. So similarly, where we have the publish instance. So publish instance which is used to make our designed application designed make our designed application available to the public, available to the public, okay. Public or end user, anything is fine, public or end user. The port number, publish instance port number is 4503, 4503. This is the regular question, this is the regular question. What is author instance, what is publish instance, what is author instance, what is publish instance is the regular question, okay. So author instance which is used to design, create and review the content and it will publish the application in the future, it will publish the application in the future. And the port number is 4502. And what does it mean by publish instance, which is used to make our design application available to the public or end user, public or end user. The default port number is the I would say 4503, 4503. Okay, now what we will do generally. So what does it mean by publish instance and what does it mean by author instance? I will show you through the MS Paint. So then we'll get the clarity on it. So where we have the dev team, right? Can take the dev team and then here we have the author instance and here we have the publish instance and then this is the live, this is the live, okay. So then normally what will happen, this is the dev team actually, okay. Generally, so the dev team have the access, what they will do, they can design, okay, they can create, they can create, okay, they can modify the content, they can create the content, they can update the content in author instance. This is the author instance, this is author instance. Are you guys clear with my point? This one is the author instance. So for login, you want to design the content, you want to create the content, you want to modify the content, credentials are mandatory, okay. Without login credentials, you cannot design the data, you cannot create the content, you cannot modify the content. So credentials are mandatory. to design the content. So here we will give the credentials. Credentials are login. Login credentials are mandatory. Login credentials are mandatory. Without login credentials, we cannot design. Okay, fine. So you successfully log in into the author instance and you have created some content. Then you review the content, and then after that, what you will do, where we will use the replication agents actually. Replication agents. Replication agents. Replication agents. So generally, replication agents are a mediator in between the author instance and publish instance. What they will do, they will push the content from author instance to publish instance. They will push the content from author instance to publish instance. Okay. Now what will happen? Here we have the publish instance. Publish publish instance. The port number here is, this is the 4502 and this is the 4503. And if you want to log in the published instance, so login credentials are not required. Without login credentials, you can log in into the published instance and you can see the content. But in case of author instance, login credentials are mandatory. Login credentials are mandatory. Okay, so then, like for example, if any user will request the data, then the data the person can able to access through the publish instance. Through the publish instance. This is the generally flow which happens. I can take this one. So this is the user. You can say end user. If the end user they are trying to access any the data, so it will be format like this. So the dev team they will work on the author instance and they will use the mediator as the replication agents. What replication agents will do? It will move the content from author instance to publish instance. This is also an interview question. What is the difference between the replication agents and reverse replication agents? Replication agents are the mediator in between the author instance and publish instance. What they will do, they will what is the purpose of replication agents? They will move the content, whatever the content is created by the developers, they will move the content from author instance to publish instance. And we have the one more question also. What is reverse replication agents? What is a reverse replication agents? Reverse replication agents. Uh, Reverse, the name itself we have the meaning, right? Replication meaning from author to publish. Reverse meaning publish to author. This is the quite opposite. Okay, so reverse replication meaning, so reverse replication are the mediators. They are helpful to move the content from publish instance to author instance. Publish instance to author instance. Okay, today what we will do generally, we will create one 4502 server and we will create one 4503 server, and here we will create some the content. Okay, and we will make the relation between two servers. Okay, how to establish the relation between two servers I will show you. And here we will create the some content. That content we will push, and that content should be displayed on the publish instance. So this is today our task. Okay. Okay, now you got the clarity. What does it mean by author instance and what does it mean by publish instance? Okay, now simply can come here. How to set up author instance. Next heading is how to set up author instance. How to set up author instance. Author instance. Okay. So the first point is create folder, any folder, the folder name you can give anything. So in my case I am giving the folder name as the AEM. Create folder in any drive, meaning C drive, D drive, we have the multiple like that side. You can create any drive. Create folder, I am mentioning the name is, this name is your wish. In my case I am giving AEM. Okay, in any drive. That is the first one. This is the step number one. And okay, inside AEM folder, create one more folder, that is the author folder. Okay, that is the step number two. Third step, inside the inside the author folder, keep jar file, dot jar file. I have shared the dot jar file, right? Keep dot jar file and license file. So the jar file and license file should be under the author folder only. Okay. So after that, fourth step, double click on jar file, and fifth step, no, before double click we need to rename the jar file. Rename the jar file. Rename jar file like AEM hyphen author P4503 P4502 dot jar. Okay, this is the name. And next, double click on, okay, double click on jar file 4502 jar file. Double click on the jar file. Then your AEM instance will be open. The sixth step, your AEM instance will open. AEM author instance will be open. Okay, this is the process for AEM author instance. Are you guys clear with my point? This is clear. Now same process according to the steps. So same process I will do. Okay. So simply where I am creating the folder on my desktop. In your case, you can create any drive. Simply you can come to the desktop. New, take a folder. So I am giving my folder name as AEM. Okay. And I am going inside the AEM folder. Here I am creating one more folder, that is author 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 folder. Okay. And inside the author, what should I do? So I have shared one drive, right? You can simply go to your drive, home drive, and you can download AEM 6.5 kickstart dot jar. You can download that one. It should be around 531 MB. Okay, you can download that one. Download, it will be download, and the license file also you should download anyway. And license properties also you can download. This is downloading, and it will ask the location. So I will give the my location, desktop, and then AEM, and then author. Here you should give the path actually. Okay, save. I am saving the same location. Similarly, with respect to license file also, the same process. Download. Okay, download, It will ask for the location, desktop, AEM, author, and then here you should save. Save. This is clear, as of now is clear. So simply you can come to here and then open author, and then which is not aim, right? Delete this one. Can come. So I will change the download path actually where it is available. Click on the folder which is available in C drive, AEM and author. Okay, this is actually okay. Now I'm deleting this one. So this is the steps we done till now. Yeah, Rajesh, నీ పనులు నువ్వు ఉన్నావు. రాసుకో alert ఉందా. So this is the steps we done so far, right? Simply like the folder creation we already no confusion. Simply I have created AEM folder. Inside AEM folder I have created other folder. Okay, inside the folder what I am doing, I am keeping quickstart.jar and license file. So where should I get these two? I have shared already OneDrive to you in the group. So you can there itself you can download quickstart.jar and license file. These two you should keep in author folder. The same thing I did. You can download those two, and those two you should keep inside the author folder. Okay, you should keep inside the author folder. And next thing is you can rename the you can rename. Why I am renaming? Because I will show you the reason. I will tell you. These are the softwares already we done, and this is the diagram: developers, other server, publish server, and where we have the end user. End user, they are trying to search any request. So this is the process which happens backend. Okay. Now if you see here, why I am giving the naming? Because if I not giving the name with the 4502 port number, then our AEM will open by using these port numbers. So sometimes it will open 8080, sometimes it will open 8081, sometimes it will open 8082, sometimes it will open 8083. So it will pick up any random number. So through that it will open. Are you guys clear with the point? So every time it is opening some random number, so it is very some difficult to run our system, run our AEM instance, right? So to avoiding that issue, so we will mention our name. We will mention AEM hyphen author hyphen P4502. This name we will mention to our file, to our jar. Are you guys clear with my point? So simply I'm copying this one, and now I will simply we can come here, select on it, rename, okay, and then done. And then if I click on it, then I can open AEM instance. So initially in your systems also it might be take some time, around 15 to 20 minutes. So don't worry. Okay, it will open. It will take some time and it will open. It will take some time. It will open. This is with respect to AEM author instance. The same process with respect to publish instance also. Okay, so it is opening. So parallelly we will complete. We will see with respect to publish instance also. Next heading is how to set up publish instance. How to set up publish instance. So the same AEM file, the first step is already we already created the AEM folder, right? Inside the AEM folder, inside the AEM folder, create create publish folder, publish folder, publish folder. Okay, and inside the publish folder, inside the publish folder, keep .jar file and license file. Okay, and then third step is rename the .jar file. How will you rename .jar file into like this? Here you should mention publish 4503, publish 4503. Okay, here 4502.jar, here 4503.jar. Okay, and fourth one, okay, double click on .jar, double click on .jar file, then it will open. Okay, it will open by using a default number 4503. It will open, it will open publish instance, publish instance by using 4503 port number, 4503 port number. Okay, so this is the steps we will follow according to the how to set up the publish instance. Okay, now what I will do, simply I will come in here. So it is still opening. So in your case also, so initial time it will take some time. So you can wait until it is installing, until it install successfully in your local, successfully in your local. Okay, fine. So the same process we will do in case of publish instance also. And third step is, so next heading is how to make, how to establish, how to establish relation between, relation between author instance and publish instance, author instance and publish instance. This is the next heading, how to establish relation between author instance and publish instance. Okay, here simply we have the where we will go to the local host colon 4502. Okay, and local miscadmin, miscadmin. Okay, and inside the miscadmin where we have the, so we already discussed it, right? We have the mediators. So if you go to this URL, there we will get the some options. Among those options you can select the replication, and inside the replication we have the, again we have the replication. So inside the replication we have the default replication, default replication. So here double click on, here you should double click, here you should double click. Then whenever you double click, then you can open some pop-up box. Okay, there you can open the edit. Okay, and here, so we should give the publish instance port number and login credentials. Here you should give the login credentials, login credentials, login credentials. Okay, so then uh, check the test connection. Check the text connection. So text connection. So if the text connection is the successful, then you have successfully create the establish the relation between the author instance and publish instance. Author instance and publish instance. So this should be successful. Should display it on the successful. Are you guys clear with my point? Now I will come to 4502. So this still it is opening. So this is the process. So after the process, what we will do generally, we will add some text. Okay, the task is we will add we will add some text and images. So these images where we will add on the author instance. These images and these text should be displayed on the okay above text and images should be displayed on the author publish instance. So this is the task actually displayed on the publish instance. Okay, this is port number 4503. This is port number 4503. So I will show you once it will open. So parallelly I will open 4503 as well. Now simply can come to the AEM and then open. Here you should create one more folder. The folder name is the publish folder. Publish folder. Okay, go inside the publish folder and here you should keep .jar file and license file. You should keep .jar file and license file. Okay, same simply you can go to the same drive and then um, download license file, download. This one you should keep inside desktop AEM and publish save. Okay, similarly we can do with AEM 6.5 quickstart.jar also. Okay, click on download, download anyway. It is also asked for the location AEM. Inside the AEM we have the publish folder. You can select that one. I am saving in that location. If you see here, my author instance is opening. So initial time should open the credentials with login credentials where we have the login credentials. Double click on the jar, it will open. You can log in with username. Username is admin. Okay, and then password is admin. Are you guys clear with my point? Username and password. Username is the admin and password is the admin. Okay, so through the credentials you can open. So in my case, my credentials are already saved. So I'm signing. Okay, which is open. Now you guys observe my AEM instance is open. This is my AEM start.html, meaning the main dashboard, right? If you observe the URL, localhost meaning, so already you done in the serverless concepts, right? So there itself, like what does it mean by localhost? Localhost meaning the server is which is available in your system only. Okay, this is the server port number. So we mention the port number as the 4502. If you not mention if you not rename, then what will happen? It will pick up some default port number. So through that it will open. Sometimes it will open 8080. Sometimes it will be open 8081. Sometimes it will go open 8085. There is no particular number actually. So how to avoid that issue? We need to specify port number. Okay, we need to specify the port number. So if you specify the port number, so according that it will open. So in my case, I am mentioning 4502 as the port number. Okay. Okay, fine. So my author instance successfully, I opened my author instance. Now we'll see publish instance. So same, I will come to here, AEM, and then publish or rename. So the symbol also it should be displayed. Some systems what the symbol is not visible. What might be the reason? The reason is JDK. You need to cross check the JDK. Which is JDK you got installed? You need to cross check. Okay, we can rename. Now I will change the name. Here I will mention publish instance. Publish. Okay, here 4503. 4503. Okay, and then okay, I successfully rename. Okay. So simply double click on the dodger. Then it will open publish server. Now it will open. It is publish server and previous one is the author server. Previous one is the author server. Okay. So once the server, the author publish server is also open, then we will establish the relation between two servers. We will establish the relation between two servers. So how will you make the relation? You can simply come to the 4502. Now you can open 4502. Here we can, after 4502 you should look for the misc admin. Okay, click on it, click on the misc admin. Now these are the options, right? So among those options, okay, among those options you can scroll down where you have the option that is the replication, packages under the replication. Okay, so what you will do, you simply go inside the replication and again you have the option that is the agents on author. Okay, click on agents on author and then double click on the default agent. Double click on the default agent. So in my case, I am double click on the default agent. Double click on default agent. Then you will open one more dashboard. So here we'll be having the edit option. Click on the edit option, and so by default it is in unchecked. If it is unchecked, in your case, if it is unchecked, you can click on the tick mark. Transport also, which is having already the server number is 4503 pin, and user is the admin, password is the admin. In our case, the password and user name if not available, you can give the username as the admin, password is also admin, and this path is also this one. Like already some default path they will provide, so they you can manipulate only these two statements. Like you can give 4503 forward slash bin forward slash receive. Okay, and then click on OK, and then save. This is the password saving it is asking, and once the server will open, then we can check the connection. So this is the process to create the relation between two servers. What is the process? I will tell one more time. Where we have what we have replication agents, right? This is the replication agents. Okay, and under the replication agents, what we have agents on author, and again what we have default author. Okay, so after this, if you double click on it, then you will open the one more page actually. Okay, there you can edit the option, and then you can click on the enable, and then transport. So here you should give the credentials, user and admin, and URL you should be given the 4503 pin and receive. Okay, are you guys clear with my point? And then okay, click on OK. So this is the way to establish the relation between the author instance and publish instance. Okay. Next, I will once you open the server, you can check the test connection. So there itself, it will show the connection is created successfully or not. Okay. So my task is I want to upload one image. I want to add one image and some text on the page. That text and that image should be displayed on my publish instance. So for that purpose, what I will do, I will download some images. So I will download some images. So I will some any image I will take. Will take any image. This image will take. This is the rapid question. This image is rapid question. We'll download this one. Oh, these are very big images. Save. Save. Save image. I'm saving this one on my desktop. Okay, download this. I'm saving. Okay, so in my AEM author instance, I will upload that image. Localhost 4502 AEM start.html, and then you can go to your. So the images you should upload in the assets. Okay, come back. Go to assets, files. For images, you can create your own folder or you can use existing folders also. So as of now, I will use existing folders. If you want, you can create one more folder here. There we have the uh, uh, folder option. There you can create. So in my case, I am using the existing folders. So I will select any one of them. Okay, so I will create one folder. Folder I will mention. So all images. Okay, and then create. So inside this folder, um, inside these images, open this one, and here you should upload file, whatever the image you have downloaded. You can select that image. Desktop, where you have some image, right? The image is download JPG. Select open. Okay, upload. It is uploading to your AIM AIM author instance. Okay, and okay, the image has successfully uploaded. So so once it open, then we'll check the connection, and then here we will go to the some sites. So I will go to the some sites. Simply I will open some localhost 4502 the sites. So Adobe team, they will provide these are the some default projects, actual sample projects, pay retail and weekends. Okay, pay retail is the sample project. So through that we can practice. So simply I am opening B retail. So these many pages are available, uh, like I am going to the language masters, and then simply English, and then I am selecting some main page. Okay, and add the main page. So it is taking time. Go down. We have the option that is the drag component. Okay, here we can take two components. So first case I will take the first one is the image component, text component. Here I will add some text. So the text might be in the real-time scenarios, the text might be related to the pages or related to the image. So in my case, I will take some dummy text. The text is I can take some this text I will take. Okay, I will copy this text. I will copy this text and simply I will go to the main page. Here I will paste the text here. You can configure the component and here you should paste the content. Okay, I'm saving on. Okay, this is the content, right? And simply here you can take the image component. You can take the image component and the image component I have added successfully. Then what you should do, simply drag on the image, drag the image, రేపటి కోసం image, రేపటి కోసం. Okay, so this content we will publish. This content will move from author instance to publish instance, author instance to publish instance. Okay, now it will open or not? It is opening still. Oh, it is open. It is open. Now what you will do, you can come to here and check the connection. Double click on the default agent and test the connection. Now if you see, the connection is success, right? The connection is success, meaning you successfully establish the relation between author instance and publish instance. Okay, now you can open publish instance. So what is the port number? Localhost 4503. Localhost 4503. Localhost 4503 is the port number. You can open the specific page. Now we'll see which is open or not. Okay, some specific page we'll see. This is the main.html, right? We can copy this path and we can come to here and we can change the port number 4503. Okay, and we can click on it. We can remove the editor.html. Okay, we can remove editor.html. Now if I come down, so this is the publish instance. Here there is no balaya, right? There is no balaya. Why? Because this is the publish instance. We are not move the content from, we are not pushing the content. Now what we will do, we will push the content from other instance. So then it should be displayed on here in this page. That is our requirement. Now we can come to other instance. You can look for the Balai Babu. This is the Balaya, right? And then here we have the page information. Okay. In the page information, we have the publish. Publish the page. So once you publish the page, publish, so if you click on the preview, then you can see it should be displayed like this. It should be displayed like this, right? So simply same way you can go to the 4503. This is the 4503. You can refresh, and now if you see, the data, the content, whatever the content you have created, whatever the content you have designed by using the author instance, the content is displayed on the port number 4503, which meaning this is the published instance. Initially created instance is the author instance, this is the published instance. Now today your task, what you guys will do, we need to set up two servers. One is the author server, second one is the publish server. And the third thing is we need to establish the relationship between two servers, and there you can take some text or some images there you can take, and then those images and text you should push from there, and that content should be displayed on the publications. So this is the your task for everyone task, and you should go through it and you can do to the task. Images don't take any I would say any uh, unnecessary images, don't take normal plain images you can take. Okay, so some guys they will, the last batch, the guy is running some PG. So he's keeping the PG images and he's publishing the PG in the group. So don't do like that. Normal you can take normal plain images. Okay, and then you can upload the images. You can publish the image and then you can share in the group. Okay, this is your assignment, and so that's it today. I'm stopping the live. So the live is also available in the